So, you brave, bold spiritual pioneers used to use the word spiritual warriors. I don't use that word anymore because I don't want any more war in my life. So I like the idea of spiritual pioneers. Let's practice this right now. I know every one of us has come into this room with challenges, difficulties, hopes and dreams. But whatever it may be that's on your mind right now, I'm going to invite you to get comfortable. That's also an important ingredient in relaxation. It's hard to relax if you're not comfortable. So just take a breath. If it's comfortable for you, close your eyes. It's kind of a symbol, a way of recognizing that we're willing to release the fictitious world. And friends, the fictitious world is anybody and everything that we perceive with our human senses. This is all a projection. And you and I, we're the projector. What we want this morning is a projector that is sound, mellow, easy, easy, easy. We're not in this life experience to be filled with stress and strain all the time. There'll always be more to do. But there will never be more for you to be, my friend, than the real you. All it takes is an ounce of willingness. You can say silently to yourself right now, I'm willing. I'm willing. I'm willing to chill out. I'm willing to no longer preoccupy my storyline with worries and woes because I want to live in the integrity of the truth that I know myself to be on the deepest level of my being. Take another deep breath and say silently to yourself, I relax, I release, I am willing to allow the same power that drives the universe to lead and guide my life. I realize I have internal resources that are here to support and assist me in this journey. I'm ready to stop telling ghost stories to myself. I'm ready to write a new storyline, to deliver a new narrative. And it's going to be one that reflects the truth of what I am becoming more and more every day to know myself to be. Regardless of anything happening in the world of fiction outside of me, my real world is a world of peace. It's a world of prosperity. It's a world of deep and lasting treasures and joy that can never be taken from me. And that's what I'm going to put my faith in. That's what I'm going to believe in. And I am ready and willing to look out upon my world as it transforms before my very eyes. I've changed the ingredients of my mind. And in so doing, I'm changing the ingredients of my life. And it feels great, and it builds enthusiasm as my own life begins to reflect my real identity. And as the world around me begins to reflect its real identity. I am relaxed, I am at peace, and there's a confidence racing and roaring through me greater than ever before. I'm remembering, I'm waking up from my spiritual amnesia, and I'm claiming my true self. And with every step I take in this life experience, that confidence grows, and I become a powerful agent in this world to help and support all those I love and all those on this planet. Never underestimate the power of any change you make, dear friend. And finally, I'm willing to release all my preoccupation with thoughts, most especially those thoughts that bring dismay or doubt. And in that release of thought, I claim this real identity that's always been mine even more fully. It is in the silence of my own being and the peace of my own heart that the greatest revelation of the truth of who I am comes forth. And my heart is filled with praise and thanksgiving that with every day that passes, with every step I take, I am more and more feeding that identity of myself that is true, lasting, and eternal. For this I am deeply grateful and recommit myself to going into the world as a dynamic expression of reality. So it is, so I let it be, and so I thank God. Amen.